Before we get started, I have something exciting to share with you. If you've been trying to earn extra money online, I'm giving away my free Upward Proposal book. It's the ultimate guide to help you land your first client and start earning. You can grab it from the link in the comment in the description. If you are ready to take action, you can also join my 15-day Upward Challenge. This is a step-by-step plan to help you make your first $2,000 online in just 2 weeks. Details are below. Don't miss out. Let's dive into today's video where I will be sharing 5 of the best beginner-friendly side hustles for 2025. These are low-risk, easy to start, and perfect for anyone looking to build a new income stream. Video content is exploding in popularity, and creators are always looking for skilled editors to make their content stand out. This is one of the simplest and most lucrative side hustles you can start today. Here's why it's perfect for beginners. Learning basic video editing skills is easy and free with tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. You can become proficient in just a week. Even smaller creators making $10,000 a month are happy to pay $800 to $1,500 per month for an editor who saves them time. A great way to start is by reaching out to creators and offering a re-edit in one of their existing videos as a sample. Show them how you can boost their engagement, and you'll quickly land your first client. Just a few clients can bring $3,000 to $5,000 a month, all by working remotely. Discord has become a go-to platform for communities, businesses, and NFT projects, and all of them need moderators to keep their spaces organized and engaging. Here's what makes this a great side hustle. It requires minimal skills. Your job is to interact with the community, keep discussions positive, and manage basic tasks. Moderators can earn $500 to $1,500 per month per server. Once you have some experience, you can manage multiple servers or even start your own Discord moderation agency. This can quickly turn into a full-time income with flexible hours. If you enjoy talking to people, remote sales closing can be one of the highest-paying side hustles you'll find. Many online businesses, especially coaches and course creators, need help closing deals with potential clients. Here's why it stands out. You can earn commissions of 10 to 20% of every sale. For example, closing a $10,000 program means earning $1,000 to $2,000. This is a fully remote job, so you can work from anywhere in the world. Although it takes time to practice, you can start small by working with smaller programs to build your skills. With experience, you can land high-ticket opportunities and scale your earnings to $10,000 a month or more. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the most rewarding side hustles you can invest in. While it takes time to grow, the potential for passive income is massive. Here's how to get started. Choose a niche you're passionate about and focus on creating content that solves problems for your audience. Plan your monetization strategy early. This could include revenue sponsorship or selling your own products and services. With consistency and smart planning, your YouTube channel can become a valuable asset, providing income for years to come. Every business needs a professional website, but not everyone has the time or the skills to create one. Web design is a highly in-demand skill with the potential for recurring income. Here's why this side hustle is a great choice. Platforms like WordPress and Squarespace make it easy for beginners to create stunning websites. You can start small by offering your services to friends or local businesses and then scale it up to $1,000 or more per project. In addition to creating websites, you can offer maintenance services for ongoing income. This side hustle not only pays well, but also allows you to build long-term relationships with clients. These 5 side hustles are perfect for beginners looking to earn $2,000 or more per month. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I will be replying to as many as I can in the first hour after this video goes live. Don't forget to grab your free Upward Proposal book from the link below. And if you're ready to take action, join my 15-day Upward challenge to jumpstart your freelancing journey. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, be freelantastic.